Hey friends, this is the GE Countertop microwave oven. On the new versions, there's actually a child lock that they've included as a default, but there is a way that you can actually turn this off. So let me show you how the feature works. We'll show you how to unlock it so that you can use it without that child lock. So what I'll do is I'll just hit the 1 button, and that's gonna start an express cook. And what you're gonna see is a little locking icon that shows up above the timer. Now what that does is it allows the button to be locked. You heard that extra little click, watch this. When I push this, it'll actually stop the timer, but then the door won't open. So again, the microwave is no longer cooking and it allows your child to not get in so he can't touch hot food. Now from here, what we can do is we can either hit the start button again and it'll go back up, or what we can do, I'll go ahead and try to close that again, is actually hit the cancel button over here, and that is gonna hit the unlock, and then we can open it up just like that. Now, if any of you think that feature is actually annoying, there's a way of turning this off. What you can do is push and hold the 7 button for 5 seconds, and we're gonna hear a beep, and then we hit the 9 button just once like that, and then the 0 button just once like that. You can see the unlock turns on, and now that child lock option is no longer there. So if I hit the 1 button, and then I wanna open it, you can see I can do that. Obviously the microwave stops once you do that, and then if you close it again and hit start, it'll go again. Again, just turns off that safety feature if you don't have kids.